So let's provide this file. And I'll give it more instructions. Java file. Build.util file. And I will stick that in there. Okay, I'm not going to give it that quite yet. First, some instructions on how I'd like you to work. Do not provide the full code listing. Instead, all right, so I'm just taking a look at the code output, and unlike when I prompted it with Java for the Go with the Go instructions. It looks like this time it's actually followed the instructions of only including the changes. And I was thinking about why that may have been the case. And I think it is because I sort of, having gone through this one time before with the same code example, I kind of predicted and I put these set of instructions separately rather than putting these instructions and then dumping the full file there. I made it sort of go through one step and ingest that first before I gave in the next instruction, and that seems to have confused it a bit less. So learning how to better interact and better prompt ChatGPT as I go along. Now, so I've gotten exactly what I wanted. So it's saying, okay, so change the imports over here, and then after that replace the to-do comment with this, which is great. I've also preempted the mistake that it made with the Golang translation as well, where it went straight to contract create transaction, and then with the bytecode it kind of didn't do anything. So this time I specifically said, hey, replace the Ethos.js contract deployment with Hedera SDK file create transaction plus contract create transaction, and that was enough of a hint for it to do exactly what it needed to do right away. So the rest of it looks more or less okay. I can't see there isn't anything obvious that stands out, but let's see how it goes when I actually run it. The only thing is I think the ABI is useless, so I'm going to just comment that out and probably nothing will happen. So what am I going to do? Gradle build. I'm going to try and build and run it. Right, okay, so I need to copy the files in. Nope. Oh, that's right. So I did ls instead of cp. Right. Okay, so I've got my ABI and bin files now. I can proceed. Excellent.